हेलो एन्ड नमस्ते एभ्रिवान वेलकम टु लर्निङ इङ्ग्लिस आजको क्लासमा हामीले छोटो छोटो फ्रेजेसको प्र्याक्टिस गर्नेछौँ ओके तपाईँले अङ्ग्रेजी बुझ्नुहुन्छ तर तपाईँ बोल्दाखेरि अड्किनुहुन्छ किन किनभने तपाईँको प्र्याक्टिस एकदमै कम भयो तपाईँले अङ्ग्रेजी प्र्याक्टिस बोल्न प्र्याक्टिसको लागि चाहिँ तपाईँले छोटो छोटो हामी डेली युजमा बोलिने सेन्टेन्सहरूलाई चाहिँ बोल्नु पर्यो ओके र त्यसको लागि तपाईँले कुनै ग्रामरको रुल कण्ठ पार्नु आवश्यक छैन मात्र तपाईँले जति पनि सेन्टेन्सहरू हुन्छ त्यसलाई तपाईँले कण्ठ पार्नु पर्यो र आफ्नो डेली लाइफमा बोल्नु पनि पर्यो सो यो भिडियोमा हामीले आज जान्नेछौँ 150 प्लस छोटो छोटो फ्रेजेसहरू जुन हाम्रो डेली लाइफमा हामीले प्रयोग गर्छौँ बोल्ने गर्छौँ तपाईँ पनि आफ्नो अङ्ग्रेजी बोल्ने प्र्याक्टिस गर्नको लागि चाहिँ यी फ्रेजेसलाई चाहिँ कण्ठ पार्नु होला र आफ्नो डेली लाइफमा बोल्ने प्रयास पनि गर्नु होला है त सुरु गरौँ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड छिटो तयार हौ गेट रेडी फास्ट अहिले छिटो गर हरी अप नाउ कृपया शान्त हुनुहोस् काम डाउन प्लिज मलाई पर्ख वेट फर मी मेरो कुरा सुन लिसन टु मी यो हेर लुक एट दिस त्यो हेर लुक एट द्याट मलाई स्पष्ट भन टेल मी क्लियरली फेरि बुझाऊ एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन फेरि बुझाऊ एक्सप्लेन इट अगेन फेरि भन से इट अगेन मलाई समय देऊ गिभ मी टाइम आफ्नो समय ल्याऊ टेक योर टाइम फेरि जाँच गर चेक इट अगेन फेरि एकपटक प्रयास गर ट्राई वन्स मोर यहाँ के भयो What happened here? के हुँदैछ? What's going on? यो के हो? What is this? यसको बारेमा के छ? What about this? तिमी कहाँ छौ? Where are you? कहाँ जाने? Where to go? कहिले सुरु हुन्छ? When will start? कति पर्छ? How much cost? कति समय? How long time? किन यति ढिलो? Why so late? त्यो उचित छैन. That's not fair. राम्रो लाग्यो. That sounds good. आलु छिल्देऊ. Peel off the potatoes. सुन्तलाको बोक्रा निकाल्देऊ. Peel off the orange. ओछ्यान बनाऊ. Make the bed. ढक्कन खोल. Open the lid. बिस्तारामा तन्ना बिछाइदेऊ. Spread the sheet on the bed. पर्खालको सहारा नलेऊ. Do not lean against the wall. म माथि सहारा नलेऊ. Do not lean against me. मेरो काँधमा आफ्नो टाउको नराख. Do not lean your head on my shoulder. दिमागको प्रयोग गर. Use your brain. नम्र भएर बोल. Speak softly. बिस्तारै बोल. Speak slowly. मलाई उपकार गर वा मलाई सहयोग गर. Don't नगर भन्नु पर्यो. Don't favor me. बहाना नबनाऊ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. समयको नाजुकता बुझ्नुस्. Understand the delicacy of time. Understand the delicacy of time. आफ्नो कपाल कोर. Comb your hair. Comb your hair. उसलाई समय लिन दिनुहोस्. Let him take time. Let him take time. आँखा नझिम्काऊ. Do not wink. Do not wink. इसारा नगर. Do not gesture. Do not gesture. बर्बर नगर वा बकबक नगर. Don't prattle. Don't prattle. बेकारको कुरा नगर अथवा नचाहिँदो कुरा नगर. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. जिद्दी नगर. Don't be stubborn. Don't be stubborn. मसँग न्यू नखोज. Do not mess with me. Do not mess with me. जुत्ता लगाओ. Put on the shoes. Put on the shoes. जुत्ता फुकाल. Take off the shoes. Take off the shoes. सर्ट फुकाल. Take off the shirt. Take off the shirt. मनमा नलिनुहोस्. Don't take it too hard. Don't take it too hard. उसलाई बिदाई गरिदेऊ. Say him off. Say him off. उसलाई गाली नगर. Don't abuse him. Don't abuse him. अँध्यारो हुँदैछ. It's getting dark. It's getting dark. अँध्यारो भयो. It's got dark. It's got dark. मलाई नुहाउन देऊ. Let me take a bath. Let me take a bath. जाऊ र सुत. Go and sleep. Go and sleep. मलाई चिसो महसुस भइरहेको छ. I'm feeling cold. I'm feeling cold. वर्षा भइरहेको छ. It's raining. It's raining. फोन बजिरहेको छ. The phone is ringing. The phone is ringing. AC बन्द गर्नुहोस्. Switch off the AC. Switch off the AC. AC खोल्नुहोस्. Switch on the AC. Switch on the AC. बिहान भयो. It's morning. It's morning. मसँग आओ. Come with me. Come with me. उसलाई नहेर. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. उसलाई नघुर. Don't stare at him. Don't stare at him. जागिर गर. Start a job. Start a job. जागिर खोज. Find a job. Find a job. Driving सिक्नुहोस्. Learn driving. Learn driving. तिमीले सिक्नेछौ. You will learn. You will learn. तिमीमा कला छ. You have an art. You have an art. नेपालले जित्नेछ. Nepal will win. Nepal will win. तिमीले अङ्ग्रेजी सिक्नेछौ. You will learn English. You will learn English. तिमी कायर हो. You are coward. You are coward. खाली खुट्टा नहिँड. Don't walk barefoot. Don't walk barefoot. धेरै मजा आयो. Enjoyed a lot. Enjoyed a lot. हामीले साँच्चै जीवन जियौँ. We really lived life. We really lived life. म काठमाडौँबाट आउँदैछु. I am coming from Kathmandu. I am coming from Kathmandu. म भोलिदेखि काम गर्छु. I will work from tomorrow. I will work from tomorrow. राम 10 बजेदेखि काम गर्नेछ. Ram will work from 10 o'clock. Ram will work from 10 o'clock. मैले यो रामबाट सुने. I heard it from Ram. I heard it from Ram. मैले यो किताबबाट लेखे. I wrote it from the book. I wrote it from the book. 10 देखि 5 बजेसम्म काम गर्छु. मैले 10 देखि 5 बजेसम्म काम गर्छु. I work from 10 to 5. I work from 10 to 5. उसले पसलबाट यो किनिरहेको छ. He is buying it from the shop. He is buying it from the shop. पातहरू रुखबाट झरिरहेका छन्. Leaves are falling off the tree. Leaves are falling off the tree. म बिहानैदेखि पढ्दैछु. I have been studying since morning. I have been studying since morning. उसले सोमबारदेखि प्रयास गरिरहेको छ. He has been trying since Monday. He has been trying since Monday. नेहा दिउँसोदेखि रोइरहेकी छिन्. नेहा has been weeping since noon. नेहा has been weeping since noon. म त्यस बेलादेखि पढ्दैछु. I have been studying since then. I have been studying since then. उनी 5 बजेदेखि घरमै छन्. He has been at home since 5 o'clock. He has been at home since 5 o'clock. म 2 घण्टादेखि पढिरहेको छु. I have been studying for 2 hours. I have been studying for 2 hours. उसले धेरै दिनदेखि प्रयास गरिरहेको छ. He has been trying for many days. He has been trying for many days. मैले यो तिम्रो लागि गरेँ. I did it for you. I did it for you. चिन्ता गर्नको लागि केही छैन. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. म पनि सँगै जाउँ. May I accompany you? May I accompany you? के रोहन आउँदैछ? Is Rohan coming? Is Rohan coming? यो भन्दा राम्रो अरू केही हुन सक्दैन. Nothing could be better than this. Nothing could be better than this. हामीले स्कुटर मर्मत गर्नु परेको थियो. We had to repair the scooter. We had to repair the scooter. बुझ्यो? Understood? Understood? के राम भित्र छ? Is Ram in? Is Ram in? यो बेकार छ. Is useless. Is useless. केही चिजहरू हाम्रो नियन्त्रणमा हुँदैनन्. Few things are not in our control. Few things are not in our control. उसले कडा परिश्रम गर्नुपर्नेछ. He will have to work hard. He will have to work hard. उसले माफी माग्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. He will have to say sorry. He will have to say sorry. साँच्चै राम्रो. That's really nice. धेरै भयो. That's too much. That's too much. अब पुग्यो. That's enough now. That's enough now. ठुलो कुरा होइन. No big deal. No big deal. कुनै समस्या छैन. No problem at all. No problem at all. यहाँ कुनै चिन्ता छैन. No worries here. No worries here. बिस्तारै गर. Take it slow. Take it slow. ख्याल गर. Watch out. सतर्क रह. Be alert. Be alert. आफूलाई शान्त गर. Calm yourself. Calm yourself. अहिले होइन. Not now. Not now. अहिले नै. Right now. Right now. कम्तीमा प्रयास त गर. At least try. At least try. यसलाई फिर्ता देऊ. Give it back. Give it back. मलाई एक्लै छोड. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. सँगै आऊ. Come along. Come along. छेउ अघि बढ. Go ahead. Go ahead. छेउ लाग. Step aside. Step aside. पछि हट. Back up. Back up. राम्ररी जाँच गर. Look closely. स्पष्ट सोच. Think clearly. Think clearly. अहिले निर्णय गर. Decide now. Decide now. बुद्धिमानीपूर्वक छनौट गर. Choose wisely. Choose wisely. गम्भीर बन. Be serious. Be serious. अन्दाज गर्नुहोस्. Guess what? Guess what? अब के? What now? What now? किन यति ढिलो? Why so late? Why so late? के भयो? What's wrong? What's wrong? केही खबर? Any update? Any update? मलाई जवाफ दिऊ. Answer me. Answer me. कुनै idea? Any idea? कुनै योजना? Any plans? किन यस्तो? How come? How come? कसरी यस्तो? How so? के को लागि? What for? What for? कुन चाहिँ? Which one? Which one? यो कस्तो छ? How about this? How about this? तपाईँमा भर पर्छ is up to you. Is up to you. जस्तो चाहन्छौ as you wish. As you wish. हुँदै हुँदैन no way. No way. ढिलो भइसक्यो too late. Too late. मजाक गरेको just kidding. Just kidding. धेरै नसोच don't overthink. Don't overthink. मतलब नगर वास्ता नगर don't mind. Don't mind. पछितिर पछितिर pay later. Pay later. छिटो सक finish fast. Finish fast. नयाँबाट सुरु गर start fresh. Start fresh. फेरि सुरु गर begin again. Begin again. ध्यान राख keep focus. Keep focus. बलियो बन stay strong. Stay strong. सकारात्मक रह stay positive. Stay positive. आफूलाई विश्वास गर trust yourself. Trust yourself. लचिलो बन be flexible. Be flexible. समय सकियो time's up. Time's up. लगभग सकियो almost done. Almost done. बाटोमै छु on the way. On the way. भर्खर आइपुगे just arrived. Just arrived. चाँडै निस्कदै leaving soon. Leaving soon. यहाँ पनि त्यस्तै same here. Same here. म पनि me too. Me too. अरू के what else? What else? त्यसो भए के त so what? So what? अब के now what? Now what? त्यसपछि के then what? Then what? बुझे got it. Got it. ठिक छ all right. All right. बस त्यही that's it. तयार छ कि छैन ready or not? Ready or not? सबै तयार all set? अरू केही anything else? अरू केही के तिमी पक्का छौ are you sure? Are you sure? के तिमी पक्का छौ are you sure? That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. यदि तपाईँलाई यो भिडियो मन पर्यो राम्रो लाग्यो लाइक गर्न नबिर्सनुहोला सेयर र सब्स्क्राइब पनि गर्नुहोला है त